Long ago there was a soldier fighting in a war. His name was Bert, and he got hurt. His leg was very sore. They took him to a hospital and put him in a bed. They hoped he would get much better, but he got much worse instead. It was a nasty, smelly place. Everything was dirty. The floors, the beds, and the bandages. Poor old injured Bertie. Onto the bed jumped 3 big rats. They laughed at Bert and said, "We'll give you a nasty disease and soon you'll be dead." Poor Bert was very scared indeed. The rats were right, he feared. He thought that he was going to die, but then a light appeared. It was the lady with a lamp called Florence Nightingale. She took one look at the rats and picked them up by the tail. "No rats allowed in here," she said. "On this I'm quite determined, for now this place will be kept clean and safe and devermined." The rats saw that she meant business and ran away in fear. Then Florence smiled and Bertie said, "I'm really glad you're here." She gave him a nice clean bandage and ointment for the pain, and it was not too long before Bert felt well again. Yay! Florence Nightingale was the best nurse there have ever been, but she did so much than just keep one hospital clean. She wrote great books about nursing. She opened a school. She made it seem like being a nurse was very, very cool. Nowadays, all of us can thank the lady with the lamp that hospitals are clean and fresh, not dirty and damp. Nowadays, we think cleanliness seems just like common sense, but it wouldn't have all been different will it not be for Florence Nightingale.